Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese coleslaw salad. Today I'm making simple coleslaw salad, but I'm going to add some Japanese kick to it. Let me show you how. These are what you need. 1/4 cabbage, some corn, carrot, just a little bit, katsuobushi or fish flakes, half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1 tablespoon vinegar, this is wheat vinegar but you can use any other vinegar too, half a teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Let's cut the vegetable first. I want to make thin strips of carrots, so make thin slices first. Like this, and push it to make it flat. Then julienne. Let's put it in this bowl here. Then cabbage, cut the core off. Take some leaves. Push it to flatten and then thinly slice. Then half a teaspoon salt. Mix it well. You kind of rub to mix. Then let it sit for 10 minutes. While I wait, I'm making coleslaw dressing. So let's put 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon sugar. Mix it well until it's nice and smooth. After 10 minutes, you can see the vegetables are wilted and wet. The salt brought up the moisture. So let's squeeze it really well to remove any excess moisture from the vegetable. So take some, squeeze it really well. Then put it into the dressing. You can see how much water come out from the vegetable. Let's add some corn and katsuobushi fish flakes. Then mix. Okay, let's serve. And Japanese coleslaw salad is ready. That's all for today. It's very easy, but katsuobushi fish flakes makes a big difference. I hope you like it. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!